Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy J O H A B R A H A M. Yes, I am. We back. We back. Just like the titles read, I need to learn, memorize the formulas. But how did you do the math yesterday? I had the formulas in front of me. But but yeah. What? Who are you always talking with when you work on your classes here? What person? Racketon. What? Somebody just wrote the who are you always talking with when you work on your classes here? What person? So hi Josh. Hello. Hello Devoto did. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Why is the camera just keeps on stop working? I'm guessing. Hello. Stream. Mm-hmm. No, it's not telling me the exact location. I hate that the camera is not working. I hate it. I hate it. basic formulas, derivatives. Warning? Oh fuck, where did I post? Okay, Logan Young, I think you gotta leave, bro. How do I remove this? I don't know. Constant with f of x, a function, derivative equals yep, d x raised to n by d of x equals, if it's derivative then it's gonna be x n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? No, that was for integral. I can see why I could have failed the exam. One hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Fast, boy. Why is you so slow? 15 minutes. Like, no, don't. N x raised to n minus 1 plus c. As for derivatives. Yesterday there was a word that I had some hard time. Consecutively. Yep, that's the word. Consecutively. Consecutively? No, consecutively. Product rule. F of x times g of x integral or derivative. gives f dash of x g of x minus, no, plus f of x g dash of x derivative of g of x. That's the product rule. Quotient rule, f of x by g of x whole derivative. Is it gonna be f dash of x? Okay, it's the top part is almost same. Dash of x g of x minus f of x multiplied by g dash of x by g of x whole square. Yeah, that's the quotient rule. Chain rule. What's chain? Like the chain worn by, I don't know, d of x f dash g of x integral of f with the g of x times g dash of x plus c. There's no c? Okay. Let's forget about the c. Chain rule. Chain rule. Let's start again. Oh wait, there's more. D of e raised to g of x. Derivative of e raised to a function is g dash of x raised to e raised to g of x. Then we got the natural logarithm of a function divided by d of x equals the function, the derivative of the function divided by the function itself. Okay, I gotta write it again. D of c of x c f dash x plus c. Yep. What's the next one? D x raised to n by d of x equals n x raised to n minus 1 plus c. What do you mean? Oh, prime? I don't want to use prime though. Amazon, I'm sorry, I'm not a big prime guy, Amazon. Now for product rule, so f of x times g of x whole derivative f dash of x g of x plus f of x multiplied by g dash of x product rule. Somebody wrote cool setup. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. PERFOMAXXIN, cool setup. Appreciate that. It's not the Not very big, but I'm proud of this setup. What's this? What's next one? Quotient rule. So f of x by g of x, the whole derivative. What is gonna be? F dash of x, g of x, minus f of x, g of x by g of x whole square. That's product, no, quotient rule. Quotient rule. Chain rule. F of g of x. What's the it's called chain rule. Okay. How you do this? I forgot. God damn it, I forgot. I don't want to look at the screen. If there's, oh, okay. So, integral derivative of f of x and derivative of the function inside f. What else? Then we got df e raised to g of x. Derivative of e raised to g of x equals g dash of x e raised to g of x. Yep. Now natural log of g of x. What I'm gonna get? It's a derivative of the function divided by the function. It's not an absolute value, no. Yeah, I mean, next common derivatives, common. C x raised to n by d of x equals nc n raised to, whoa. X raised to n minus 1 plus c. Now, trigonometric functions, derivative of trigonometric functions. Let's go. Sin x, I know cos x. D of cos x minus sin x. Yep. Cosec. D of cosec. D of cosec x equals minus cosec x. Can I download Notebook LM? Is there an app? Oh, if it's a computer, the web interface is it. a small doubt. I was referring the derivatives formula and came across CSCC. CSC. I'm guessing it's cosec. Cosecant. Oh, cosine. Cosine, opposite the sine, yes. Cot is opposite. Sec is 1 by tan. No, sec is 1 by cos. Sec will be damn. My memory is not very good now. Is it? Nope. Cosine, derivative of cosine is minus cosine times cot. Cot. Sec x by, oh, I just wrote sec. d of x equals, sec x equals sec x times tan x. But there's no negative. Tan x, derivative of tan x equals sec square x. Somebody wrote hi. Hello. Hello. Cot x. What are you typing? Did you type hi or AI? Hi, okay. Mohammed Hussein. Hello, Mohammed Hussein. What you doing? I'm memorizing basic math formulas because I'm stupid. Cot x equals minus cosine x. Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Cosine x. $15? Yo. That's not good. That's not good. I don't care. My country name. So you want to know the country where I'm from or the country that I'm in right now? Because I have two answers. I'm guessing you're asking for my country, where I'm from, right? Guess, bro. So cot x equals minus cosine square x. Tan x equals sec square x. Yes. Yes to which question? Nai. What's nai? Bye. Oh shit. Well, respect for checking out the stream. So long, soldier. Neon Das. I do remember that name, but I don't remember exact conversation we had before. But I do remember that N and D. How you doing? Inverse trigonometric functions. Really bad, man. Yo, shut the fuck up. Come on. I gotta tell you, my memory is very bad. Like, it's bad. Tons of tasks to complete. Yes, tons of tasks. Why can't I see your account now? Are you talking about me or you? Can I join your stream? Bro, what if I die to... Okay, I remember you now. You're the guy who asked me, what if you die? Okay. Me. Oh, you're talking about yourself? Okay. Well, don't worry. Everyone procrastinate a little bit. What's the solution? I still don't know. How can you tackle procrastination? You can start doing your things, but like right now I should start my studies much early. But I slept over. I woke up, I was watching the movie Angry Birds on YouTube. That's what I was doing when I woke up instead of studying. So procrastination is a real thing. How do you tackle it? Figure out how you can make the work or task you have to complete easy. How can you make the task easier? Maybe that could bring down the procrastination, maybe. But yep, procrastination is a real issue. Again, I'm gonna write this on my own. Derivatives. Sine. Cos x. Cosine x. Sec x. Tan x. Cot x. 20 minutes? Come on, man. Sin x is minus cos x. Cos x is sin x. Cosine x is minus cosine x times sec cot x. Yes. Sec x equals sec x times tan x. Tan x. Harumi De Leon. Hi. Hello. Hello. You in college, right? Yes. I'm in college or university. Both are like higher studies. I'm studying past school. Okay. Tan x. I forgot tan x. What tan x was. I think it's sec square x. Fine. Fine. Fine, like fine dest. Fine. What do you do? I don't know if you could read the title, but I am memorizing math formulas, basic math formulas, because I'm stupid. Cot x equals minus cosine x square. Oh, got it right. What, want a gift? Gift? What you mean gift? Like a sub? Subscribe? Yeah. If that's a gift, yes, of course, I will take a subscribe. Want a gift. What's the question mark? I mean, what's like, do I have to give you something as part of the gift, or it's just a gift for free? No money. No money. Okay. I still don't get what you mean by gift, but hey, let me see what can you do with this chat. Sine inverse. Should I learn this? I should. Sine inverse of x equals 1 by 1 minus root of x squared. Cos inverse x equals 1 by 1 minus x square root. That's the same thing. Oh, it's minus, okay. Df tan inverse dfx equals 1 by 1 plus x square. Gotta it. Gotta it? Got it? Got it money. What? Are you asking me, do I have money? Cot inverse x? Well, fortunately, buddy, I ain't the one, okay? Cosine inverse is 1 by x square, 1 by absolute value of x multiplied by root of x squared minus 1. Dumpydon. Twitch. Oh, I don't get too many Twitch chats. Where am I from? Can you guess where I am from? Try running that pattern recognition built in our system. Can you guess where I am from? Sri Lanka. You are really close. I'm from a country near Sri Lanka. That's really close. I'm from India, dog. Cosine inverse of x. Want a gift. Are you a bot, Harum Dilion? Looks like you're a bot because you are repeating the messages. India. Yes, you got it right. You got it right. What? Indians have better accent? I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to respond to that. But I gotta say, the more you speak a language, the better you get. I do understand that. It doesn't matter if it's English, Malayalam, Hindi, German, French, I don't know, Chinese, Japanese. The more you speak, the better you get. Indians are cheap. Are you talking about labor? In case of labor, black. Oh, whoa. I mean, the darker shade is for melanin, so that's why I guessed SL. Okay, I understand. Well, hey, people need to improve speaking, right? Indians are smart. Well, I'm not. I'm a defend. Oh, shit. Talking about you. Talking about me that I'm cheap? Whoa. Well, I don't know how to respond to that. What exactly is cheap? What do you mean? Like cheap labor or like cheap that they are really greedy and don't want to spend money cheap? Because cheap means a lot of stuff. df sec inverse cos sec inverse of x by dfx. I'm doing high school math. Yeah, basic math. It's for university, but the formulas are what you learn in high school. What is this? This is basic derivative formulas. Sec inverse of x equal 1 by absolute value of x by x squared minus 1. Freshman? Yes. I think the meaning for freshman is first year, right? I'm not exactly first year, but I'm doing my first year course, so I'm kind of technically freshman, even though it's been 2 years I'm studying. Attention seeker. Oh, whoa. Attention seeker. That's one way to put it, but Introduction to Calculus 101. I don't know, is that a chapter? Is that a common chapter or something? But yes, this is Intro to Calculus. A raised to x. A, I'm guessing it's a constant. If it's a derivative, gonna be a raised to x log, natural log of a. I think this would come in handy. E raised to x derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x itself. Or e raised to x itself. Let me do the panjot. Oh, is that a slur? If it's a slur, I don't think YouTube recognizes it. So, and I don't know if it's a slur, but it sounds like a slur, not gonna lie. It does 30 minutes? Oh no. My time is going fast. Time is going fast. What university? It's a university called JKU. Gandu. Okay. Again, I feel like it's a slur, but I don't know what to say, man. Who hurts you, dog? Who hurts you to say slurs on a random streamer's chat? I feel bad for you, dog. I feel bad for you. Cos inverse of x by d of x equals tan inverse of x BCC. What do you mean BCC? Did you mean BC, biochemistry BC? Cosine inverse. Sec inverse. Cosine inverse. Gandu. Damn. Ah, man. It's all good, bro. Maybe within 60 years, you're 60, or I don't know how old you are, but like in like 50, 60, 70 years, what you just said on my chat is not even gonna matter, so. Sorry, man. Oh, shit. Apology accepted. You are 14, so like how old? Hey, yo, 14. It's all good. You will grow up. 1 by root 1 minus x square. Cosine inverse is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse. Tan inverse was 1 by root of x square minus 1. Sec inverse. No. Where's cot inverse? I have so growth. Why I took major in biochemistry? Good question, because I was really interested in biochemistry. I'm really interested in how biology and chemistry work together. Yes. But I still haven't started biology. Like if you check my whole channel, like the past live streams, I never learned biology. Maybe a little bit of introduction to genetics or a little bit of sequence analysis. That's more into informatics, not about biology. Can you draw structure of toluene on your iPad? Toluene, I know it's a benzene. Oh fuck, bro, don't test me like that. I know this much. What's the rest? Yo, bro, don't test me like that. What was the structure? Oh, that's correct. No way. But I thought I drew an incomplete structure, but hey, that was correct. Damn. I should not get high of myself. That was like it was luck. It was not me. Where's cot inverse? Cot inverse is 1 minus 1 by root of x square minus 1. Sec inverse 1 by, is it minus? No. I got tan wrong. You didn't tell what university. It's called JKU. The university is called JKU. No, JKU. That's in German. It's called JKU. No. I was remembering the name in German. JKU. It's not a very big university. It's okay university. Ich kann spreche sehr gut Deutsch. Wow, das ist sehr cool, oder? Ich auch. Mein Deutsch wird sehr, sehr, sehr klein. Ich weiß nicht so viel Deutsch, aber ich lerne. You're back. Ich lerne in der Schule. Oh, okay. Also mein Deutsch wird nicht so gut. Ich habe noch viel zu lernen. Mein Deutsch ist nicht sehr gut für ein Gespräch. To have my German is not good enough to have a conversation. Maybe I can say, mit Karte bitte. Mit I can say shit like that, but other than that, I need to learn more. Tan inverse. You have a certification? No. Nope. I don't. I do have a certification, but it's not like the Goite or, recognized certification. It's just a certification I got from a school. One by 1 plus x squared. Cot inverse equals minus 1 by 1 plus x squared. Yep, that's what that one. So you moved from India to Österreich. Actually moved from India to Germany. Then I moved to Österreich. But yeah, technically India to Österreich. D of a raised to x by d of x equals a raised to x log of 0. No, natural log of a. Did you visit Cologne in Germany? No. I haven't visited Berlin. I haven't visited Cologne. I know there's a big cathedral. The Cologne Cathedral. I need to visit all those places, but oh, you're missing. I know. I'm not the big traveler, and I don't think I'm financially in a place to travel. Like, I got exams to worry about. I got work, like the part-time job. Yeah, so Vaibhav. Yo, what's up, Vaibhav? I'm learning basic formulas right now. E raised to x df e raised to x itself. What else? Natural log of x derivative equals 1 by x. Okay. So your aim is research in biochem. That's almost correct. Yes. Research. Damn, nobody asked me, like, nobody suggested me something that is accurate. That is accurate. Five-year after it won't exist. 5 years after it won't exist. Oh, could you explain a little bit? Because my English is not good enough to understand what you said. What is this log called? It's not natural log. This is log to the base 10. You should memorize the complex formulas using patterns, else have to prove them every time. Oh. Every year, LLM models are getting around 100 times better. Research will be over by then in next 5 years. Yo, your name is Dumpydon. Well, you are dumb, I guess. Cause no matter how good LLMs get, you need the, how do I say it? You need to tell what the LLMs need to go forward on, right? So, yeah. I want LLMs to get better so in research can get better. But LLMs gonna replace research? You don't need to tell. Okay, bro. They keep working in loops. Okay. Uh, log to the base a x d by d of x equals 1 by x natural log to the base a. No, natural log of a, where x is greater than 0. Okay. I never knew this one. I need to learn by heart that this one. Hyperbolic functions, I don't think I need to learn that because I don't think that's gonna come. Integrals. Okay, I'll write all the derivative formulas once again to memorize, to make sure I memorized. It's already available now to common human. The general models have the goal, defined thing. Just spin them up, they will keep cooking infinitely. Okay. Well, whatever you say, bro. D C of x okay, c of x, then we get c times f dash of x plus c. Yep. X raised to n derivative product rule f of x g of x quotient rule. Well, Vaibhav, I gotta say, my main issue with learning these formulas is sometimes I switch up the signs, like plus or minus. Like for example, here product rule has a plus between the two terms. I might accidentally flip it to a minus, which just defeats the whole purpose. Defeats the whole thing. $45 minutes? Oh. Chain rule. F of g of x. How is this one? I forgot. In loops, one LLM will research, another one will run that research, results on newly generated test cases until the research fails. Then the third one will fix the research and loop continues. I feel like you are someone who is in research right now. Dumpy Dumpy Dawn. I feel like you are someone who is in research right now. Instead of memorizing the quotient rule, you can do that using the product rule. For example, if you have f of x by g of x, you can write it as f dash x by g of x. and use your product rule. Wait. Just remember that derivative of 1 by g of x equals minus 1 by g of x square. Oh, I did not know that. 1 by g of x derivative equals 1 by g of x square. I did not know that. I appreciate that. Okay, from that, I think it connects. Wait, what was this one? The chain rule? F of x with the negative sign. Oh, okay. Appreciate that. Oh, that negative is what makes this part negative, maybe? What's this one called? Chain rule. I don't know, it could be inverse function. Inverse function rule. I appreciate this one though. That could save me some time. E raised to g of x equals g dash of x e raised to g of x. Natural log of g of x. Oh, I forgot. G dash of x by g of x. For the chain one, the tip is just keep on derivating all the functions you see, okay? Just keep on derivate, multiply. One of the worst chain rules are like this. It looks like this. Sine x multiplied by e raised to 3x squared plus 4x plus cos 2x. Fuck! What? If I get something like that, I'm like, yo. Once more. C of f of x, x raised to n, f of x, g of x. You are doing interesting math. No way you said interesting. Math gets boring after this. What do you do, bro? What are you doing? Are you a student? Math gets boring? How dare you say that? Yeah, the derivation of inverse of trigonometric functions. Yeah, I do have the formula here. Sine inverse, derivative of sine inverse is 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Say what? How? That's not even related to trigonometry. Once you see some final year college math, you will change your words. I mean, just because I change my words, it's not gonna change the math or the use of those math. So yeah, theoretical math. I'm saying okay. Yep, it's practical what you're doing right now. Okay, I mean this is like school school year math formula. It's not high level math. It's like basic math. You'll be fucked. Okay. Well, math is trying its best to figure out patterns between numbers, so I respect math. Without math, a lot of stuff would not be possible. Yeah. Yup. Math is interesting. But there's a what's it called? Oh, why am I talking too much? Uh, probability is god of math. Yeah. There's a stereotype around math saying it is very hard. I could agree a little bit, but come on. Just because it's hard does not mean you can't study math. If you put in the hours, you should be able to. Okay, come on. I gotta do the f dash of c times f dash of x plus c. That's it. N times x raised to n minus 1 plus c. I have put 10k plus hours in math, still putting up, but on a PC now. Calculus is based on geometry, okay? E raised to g of x, g dash of x, e raised to g of x, natural log to the g of x equals g dash of x by g of x. Okay. I said probability is god of math because it unfolds magic-like powers, yeah. Probability is something else. Trigonometric functions. Sine, cos, cosine, sec, tan, cot. Sin x, cos x, cos x minus sin x cosine x, fuck, minus cosine x sec square. Just try studying number systems. You will see the real magic. Damn. Are we having a math off right now? 6 sec x. No. Cosine tan cot x. Wait. Cosine x is minus cosine x cot x. Sec x equals sec x times tan x. To support it, geometry is just a predefined area on paper, numerator by divisor thing. Okay. Tan of x. Come on, tan of x. What was tan of x? Cosec square? Sec square. Cot x is minus cosine square. Sec is sec x, cosine is minus cosine. I need to redo this one again. Sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. Cosine x is minus cosine or cosec x times tan x. Sec x is sec x times cot x. Tan x is, what is tan x? One hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Damn. People in this chat is having a math off. Please be here. Geometry tells you more than calculus does. Nah, don't bring infinite hyperbolic functions. Don't bring that, okay? We're not talking about that, okay? Not the scalable geometry, okay? That's different topic. You wouldn't understand, okay? Stick to fucking number light, okay? You can't even comprehend the things or what is happening for probability. Just giving an example, okay? I'm gonna show you how dumb you look, dumpy don. Vibe is gonna show you how dumb you look. Oh, dumpy don comes back. You can win an argument based on some infinite case, single case that is not a confined, okay? Dumpy don comes back striking. You foolish mortal. You wouldn't understand. Okay. 10x is, what is 10x? Fuck. Is sec square x. Cosine square x. Sec square x. I'm gonna go sec square. Sec square x. Cot x is minus cosine square x. Got it right. But I gotta redo it. I gotta redo that part because I feel like I could forget. Also, I forgot this one. 1 by g of x equals minus 1 by g of x square. I gotta say, you can try the same with inverse functions, mate. For example, graph of sine inverse is invertible for a certain interval, and you can determine its behavior on the basis of probability. Dumb Pion, you were on geometry. Why you switching? Oh, you scared, little buddy? I did not know math majors had this this immense feeling in them to convince others are wrong. Damn. Exponential. A raised to x equals a raised to x natural log of a. Natural log of x is 1 by x. By geometry, I meant all the scalable curves on a graph paper. You can try that for Euclidean geometry as well. Oh, Dumpydon left? No way. Or is he cooking up a response? Yeah, he cooked up a response. Anything measurable falls in probability. An immeasurable thing are just thoughts and predictions. You're just a thought and prediction. E raised to x. Oh, why is my pen not working? E raised to x equals e raised to x. Natural log of absolute x is still 1 by x, okay? This one is what the log to the base a absolute value. No, just x equals 1 by x natural log to the log of a. X greater than 0. I need to remember this and this one. A raised to x equals a raised to x natural log of a. A raised to x natural log of a. Bruh, how can you predict the behavior of graphs? Their maxima and minimus use probability. You owe to use calculus, mate. Probability helps in finding the possible ways in which an event can be. Done! Done! Dumb Python came up with a response. all these L'Hopital's rule, taking infinite, limiting, and behavior at infinity are kind of based on probability. If you look from a bird's eye view, oh damn, Dumb Python is looking from above. If you look from bird's eye view like I do, if you look from far away like I do, you see it's all L'Hopital's rule. Why, Bob? You don't see it. You don't see like I see. I should make a video on this. Focus. A raised derivative of a raised to x equals a raised to x natural log to a. You said how to predict maxima and minima. Demanded. You forgot the term global maxima and global minima. Oh, I got you right there. Your maximum minimum will fall under that probability. Just bought closer by calculus. Calculus. Okay. Log to the base a x equals 1 by x natural log to the natural log of a. X greater than 0. Okay, okay. Let's go on integrals. Vaibhav came up with the response. I get it, you're trying to say infinity ain't defined, and values of functions at infinity are calculated on basis of probability. But an accurate picture is given through graphs. Probability is the first math, rest is bringing it towards precision. Probability is first. We locate the asymptotes and then take the derivatives to check their points of inflection and deflection. Damn, you guys are just talking all the things I heard in classes. Hyperbola. Integrals. What are the basic formulas? Integral of c of x equals, oh, just bring the c out. Integral of f of x dx. What? F of x, integral of f of x equals minus of integral of f of x. Why? What? How? How is that possible? What do you mean? Is integral like root? I don't think so. A to C, C to B. It's interesting that it is really interesting to see that we do need both of them, right? To come up to an answer, you do need both. Global maxima and global minima, that too is done using geometry and calculus, no need of probability. Common integrals, that's what I want. That's what I want. Integral d of x equals x plus c. Integral k d of x equals 0. No, k of x plus c. Calculus only bringing in towards precision math. Integral x raised to n d of x equals it's just a set of predefined rules to get to a precise value. X raised to n is 1 by n plus 1, x raised to n plus 1 plus c. Integral 1 by x d of x, natural log of x. Integral x inverse d of x equals natural log of x. Oh, that's the same thing. Okay. X raised to minus n, you get 1 by minus n plus 1. Bro, but what I said about probability is valid. Negate if you can. Integral x raised to minus n d of x. One by ax plus b d of x equals 1 by a natural log of ax plus b. Why is a only okay? It's because a is related to the a is connected to the variable. Trigonometric in common integrals of trigonometric function. Integral. It's my gooning time now. No, dump it on his back. Calculus was written in 1500 AD. With official records, probability existed even when there was no land animals. If you go that way, calculus also did exist. It's just we did not observe. Huh? Vaibhav now can finally goon to his math victory. Do animals need calculus or probability survive? If you think about it, their brain is survival of the fittest. Okay, let's not go there. But if you think about it, an animal's brain is calculating both probability and precise stuff to survive. So they are indirectly using it, animals, everything. So, yeah, if you think about it, a cat, before it jumps, it looks at the place. It predicts. Animals using calculus, animals use calculus to predict stuff in their brain. You feel me? The neurons. It's just behavior and response it learned. published. Okay, well, when you say its behavior and response it learns. Just think about it. Just think about it. You will understand what I mean. You have to use the bird's eye view. You feel me? Don't go in with fucking human eye view. You have to go bird's eye view to understand what I just said. If x to be equals 1 by a natural log to a of x plus b plus c. Josh, cat is not using calculus in her brain. It is called memory or something. I go 3 to 5 times a day. Is that fine? I hope so, gang. I don't think it's. I don't know too much about that. I hope so. I hope so, cause I also in psychology. Yo, you're going psychology? What? Probabilities says it's fine. Well, like I said, you gotta just work your mind. What did I mean by calculating in their brain? Trigonometric functions. Cos u to du equals sine u plus c. Sine u du. Though, just how does it feel with inverse and differentials? I should say integrals and differentials go with each other. Like they're almost the same. Weibov saying no one thought that cat confidential probability or Bayes theorem, anything like that, but it does know number theory, a little bit essential for its survival. Yes, I believe so. That's how it exists, right? That's how it moves. That's how it. I hope I made it. Cat knows number theory. I don't think cat knows number theory in the way we understand, but its brain should have an understanding on how things work. Unless it cannot survive, unless it cannot use its motor, not in the way we know. Yeah, that's right. But you know what? I think we should look into that. We should look into how animals predict its own body movement. What is the math animal's brain is doing to move and stuff? Minus cos u plus c. Simulation? Simulation inside its brain, maybe, yes? I just can't quit gooning. Helpless. Yeah, that's a big issue. Goon epidemic is a big issue. Not gonna lie. What's the solution to it? I don't know. Get laid, I guess. I don't know. Even Even if you get laid, feel. Even if you get laid, feel. Okay. Even if you get laid, you are technically gooning. So does that mean getting laid is gooning? Whoa. That means I should not get laid? Okay. Now I have a reason not to get laid. That's good. Seek square U is D of U. But hey, I heard something else. There's a thing called semen retention. I heard that is very bad. Don't feel bad about gooning, but don't increase it. At the age of 16, that's all good, fam. It's all, I don't like it's normal. It's it's also all hormones and shit. Seek of U plus C. But the thing is, I heard a thing called semen retention. I heard that is really bad for the body. It's even worse than gooning and shit. It's increasing now. Well, like I said, I think it's normal. At this age, it's the hormones and shit kicking in. But just be normal, okay? Just just don't be weird around people. I think that's what's more important. Cosine U times cot U equals D of U equals minus cosine U plus C. Integral cosine square U du equals minus cot. Just don't acknowledge it. Don't talk about it. Yeah, oh shit. Don't- Yo, Dumpidan is giving really bad advice. Don't don't acknowledge it. Don't talk about it. Just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it in the secret. Just keep on doing it in some corner until you until you grow. That's not good advice, okay? If you feel like it's getting too much, maybe you should bring it down. You're trying new ways to goon. Again, just it is bad when it starts affecting your studies or your friendship, normal relationships. Taking pride in it. Oh, Dampidon, that's a good point though. Gooning, the whole gooning thing is getting more and more normalized. It's like, oh, I'm a gooner. That's you shouldn't be proud in one way, but hey, it is an epidemic that's increasing. Yeah, from what I understand, if it does not affect your family, friends, relationship, then it's all good. And your studies and stuff, like your work task to complete. If it does not affect these, every single male above 15 is a gooner. From what I understand, it's not just male. It's not a male thing anymore. No, yeah. Oh, I don't know what you meant by no. Not at all. Not every single one of them, but it's not even a male thing anymore. It's both genders and stuff. Everyone's gooner. Or most of. Yo, I should be studying the formula right now. Cot, integral of cot of u du equals log natural log of sine u plus c. I think sometimes I think of organizing a gooning competition once I grow up. I don't know if there's a gooning competition, but there's the sperm race. There's that thing coming up. You are just writing formulas, yes. Yeah, I'm writing formulas. Thank you for acknowledging that. Integral of sec u du equals natural log of sec u plus tan u plus c. Integral of sec cube. Whoa. Why do I have to learn all the formulas? Sec cube? Who came up with sec cube? Sec u tan u plus log of sec u plus tan u plus c. Integral of cosine cube CSC u cot u plus log cosine u minus cot u plus c. I gotta wash my face because my face is fucked up. My eyes are fucked up. Oh. 30 minutes already. Did I miss the 15 minutes mark? I did. My sleep schedule is not doing good. I only slept 8 hours 38 minutes. It should be 10 hours. Fuck. Another weird thing, just like the Gooner epidemic, is shorts epidemic. Short form content. Oh, you don't know how bad it is. YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts. I don't know what else, but yep. Those are also really bad. At least I'm still figuring out how can I stop watching YouTube. Especially when it's like a a little bit free time. Like maybe I'll just scroll YouTube. Not good. Not good. Cosine u, integral of cosine u, d of u is natural log of cosine u minus cot u plus c. So I should learn the integral cos, integral sine, integral sec tan, integral tan, integral cot. I just realized that it's basically the derivatives just flipped. Am I stupid? Maybe. What else? Common derivative integrals, exponential. Integral e raised to u du equals e raised to u plus c. Integral a raised to u du equals au by natural log of a plus c. But why is there the a? A is a constant. Okay. Integral natural log of u du equals u. That's the formula? Integral of natural log of u du equals u times natural log u minus u? Did not know that. E raised to au sine bu du. Standard integration technique, substitution. F of g of x, yeah, will convert to integral form. Equals g of a to f of u, d of u using substitution, where d of u for indefinite integral drops the limit. For indefinite integrals, drop the limits of integration. So it goes from a to b. Common derivatives and integrals. Integration by parts. There we go. I needed this. Trigonometric substitutions. Root of a square minus b square x square equals partial fraction. There we go. It should be used. Bro, 1 by u, integral 1 by u log u du equals natural log of u. Three years ago, what? Fuck. Fuck. I need to think for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Right hemisphere, come on. Five minutes? Okay. Okay. Let's do some, what's it called? Cars. What did I say cars? Because speed. I eat losers for breakfast. Come on. Come on. I eat formulas for breakfast. Bruh. 1 hour. Let's give me 1 hour. One hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. You know what? Let's make it dark mode because I'm not a big fan of this. How do you make it dark mode? God damn it, I forgot. That felt different. Color filters, let's go. That looks good. That's a substitution. Okay, that was the substitution rule. Integration by parts. Partial fractions. Yo, what the fuck is last one? X raised to some value by Q dx. P by Q. 1 by P by Q plus 1. But what if they're constant? It doesn't matter. Okay, okay. That's just normal n value, right? Right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Integral cos x equals minus sine x. Sine x is equal to cos x plus c. Tan x equals minus log of cos u sec minus log of sin x? No, I'm guessing it's just sin x. Oh, cosine. Should I relearn this? If I didn't, then I have to do it on my own. Why is it always f of x? Why is there no two functions? Shit, I got an important email to send. I forgot about that. 15 minutes is done. 20 minutes. Oh. Should I learn all these other formulas? I will after doing this one. No, I got it wrong. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay. Once more, the entire formula. Come on. Derivatives. Df x raised to n product rule quotient rule chain rule. Okay. Inverse trigonometric. Oh yeah, I'll do it. $30. God damn it. Integrals. Yo, Kay. It's me, Kay. I forgot you had a Twitch. What's up? How you doing? I'm trying to learn some trigonometric formulas, basic formulas. How about you? How is it going? I should say the temperature is now much better. You're doing good? Good to hear that. Well, what was I saying? Yeah, the temperature is now much better. Because the past week, ooh, I remember. I remember that. You're just checking up? Yeah, well, yeah, appreciate that. Temperature's good. Yup, it's better, much better. It's so nice. School is over. Damn, that's good to hear. It's like 1 month of 1 or 2 months of just do whatever you want time. Feels good. It feels good hearing you're having your vacation. It's it feels that good. So integral 2 months, and after I'm finally in high school. Let's go. Let's go. You watched the Backrooms movie. Oh, okay. Is it good? I heard it's pretty good for a low budget film. I think it's good, right? I haven't seen the movie. Yeah, pretty good, to be honest. Yeah. I was really excited about the movie from Spielberg. It was called Last Descendant or something, but the reviews says otherwise. Last Descendant or something? Steven Spielberg. Disclosure Day, yep. I was kind of excited for the movie because the trailer was really good, but the review's saying it's not very good. Many people didn't like because they want more actions and jump scare. If you look into the game is not about jump scares, right? Backrooms is not about jump scare and more about the ambience, I guess. And by the way, there's going to be a movie about Siren Head, my childhood horror type. What's the name of the movie? Siren Head, I do remember that. There was a specific audio. It was something like that. It brings me back. U e raised to u d u. Warner Bros. Okay. But yeah, man, I gotta go. I gotta eat. Peace. Respect for checking out. Fuck. Respect for checking out the stream. See ya. Respect. Let's go. X raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n. It's not integral this time. Chain rule. That's it, right? Chain rule. Oh, there's one more chain rule. df 1 by g of x minus 1 by g of x the whole square. Yep, there we go. Log of g of x, god damn it, the g dash of x by g of x, right? G dash of x, let's see. Tan of x minus sin x plus c. Tan x, what was tan x? Sec square minus sec square? No, tan is not minus. Minus? 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 Fuck it. Fuck it. Cosine. Inverse trigonometric function. Fuck. 1 by 1 root of 1 plus x squared. 1 minus x squared. Tan inverse 1 by a raised to x a raised to x derivative fuck I forgot it was log of a? Log of x? I'm not sure. E raised to x, e raised to x. $45 minutes. God damn it. God damn it. My palms are sweaty. Let me get some Let me get some Oh, the camera stopped working. Okay. I don't know what's up with that. Mm-hmm. That's how I remember the formula. 1 by A? No, 1 by X. Natural log of A. Integrals. Derivative is where it's -1, so it's plus x square. No. Got this wrong. K dx is kx plus c. 1 by x dx is natural log of x, right? X inverse. That's also 1 by x, a log of plus c. Natural log of x plus c. 1 by ax plus b dx. Oh, I remember this. 1 by a, natural log of ax plus b plus c. X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. X raised to n minus 1, no, minus n plus 1. Integral sine u du is minus cos u plus c, sine u plus c, tan u, the integral of tan u du. What was tan? I forgot what was tan. Cosec? No. Minus log, natural log of cosine u no, was something like that. Integral of e of e raised to u du. That's e raised to u du, right? Integral a raised to u du. A is a constant. I forgot, man. A raised to u by log of a. No, I wouldn't have guessed it. I just didn't know. D of u, no, log of u times du. It's 1 by u, right? 1 by u plus c? No, no, that's u log u minus u. Or u log minus 1. U e raised to u du. U minus 1 e. U minus 1 e raised to u du. No, plus c. Integral d u dv equals uv minus integral v du. Integration by parts. Let me see how many I got right. G dash of x e raised to x, okay. Product rule, I'm guessing those are correct. Product rule, yeah. Quotient rule, yeah. Chain rule, yeah. This one, yep. Log of g of x equals g dash of x by g of x, yep. 151. Let's go. Beep pa pa para pop. Para pa para pop. Beep pa pa para pop. Para pa para pop. Shut the fuck up. Why do I hear myself singing? I should not hear that. Okay, my brain is like, yo, it's kinda tired. I know, but how do I tackle this? How do I tackle this thought? My brain is telling me, yo, we got time. We can do this later. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Charge. Charge this. Tan inverse. No, tan is 6 square. Minus? You put a minus up there, bro? No, there's no. The minus is for cot. Sine. Cos. Cos, sine, yes. Cot, cosine square. Cot had the minus cosine. Cosine is minus cosine times cot. It was cot, god damn it. Sec x by dx is sec x tan. Inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. What's that about? What's that all about? What's that all about? One by root of 1 minus x square. That was correct. Cos is correct. Tan, correct. Cot, correcto. That's all that matters. Cosine. A raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log of a. E raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. 1 by x, yes. Log of a, 1 by x, natural log of a. It should have been at the bottom, okay. X greater than 0, that should also be mentioned. Let me drink my cucumber water. Highly refreshing source of water. Cucumber water. It tastes like cucumbers and lemon. What's here? Yo, somebody just said, vibe up. Here I come. Please don't. Yo, what's up? I gotta say, my brain is going numb. Every time I get the formula wrong, I'm like, man, this shit's fucking stupid. But I gotta tell y'all, it's always like that. Done with integration? Nah. Almost. I almost got the formulas correct. And now I just got distracted. Almost. I got almost all the formulas correct, but the thing is, sometimes I confuse. There's no point in complaining, but hey, sometimes I confuse integration and derivatives. Integration and derivation. Like x. Oh fuck. D of x by. Whoa. Somebody's playing a song? What the fuck is going on? Yeah. The 10 deadly ones are yet to come. Yo. But for me, when I try doing the question papers, these basic formulas didn't always show up on my brain. Which do you mean by the 10 deadly ones? I'm curious. Equals, yeah, this one is gonna be x raised to which one adds integration or okay, derivation subtract derivation dsia. I gotta remember that because sometimes I confuse between the subtraction and addition part for derivation and integration. DSIA. Okay. But yeah, I almost got all the formulas correct. I hope so. Integrals. Integral x dx is x squared by 2. One by ax plus b dx is 1 by a log of ax plus b. That's correct. X raised to n dx is x raised to, oh yeah, that's correct. That's correct. What else? Sine. Integral of sine is minus cos. Yes, cos is sine. Tan is minus log it is cos. It's not cosine, it's cos. So then it's going to be natural log of cosine. Natural log of sec. Sec. Yep, that's a mistake. E raised to u. E raised to u plus c. A raised to u is a raised to u by log a. Oh, wait. My deliveries are here. I need to go down, pick them up. Be right back, gang. back in the flesh. Back in the flesh. Let me open this up. Both are here. Okay. Okay, I hope this is good. It's straight from Shenzhen. Damn. And we got shoes. Please be good. Yeah, looks good. Silicon. I need to try if the shoes are good. If it's good, that's good. Damn, I should be studying. I should be, but hey, we got the shoes. I was rocking with one shoe for a long time. Comfortable enough. It's comfortable enough, I would say. Yep, I can work with this. camera stopped working? You kidding me, fam? Okay, the shoes are out of the way. One more. Oh, I like this. Straight from China. Just wanna try one thing and I'm done. It's not what they expected. I need to think. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream because I'm starting to get a bit hungry. I'll eat something and be right back.